to depart the ramp area northbound to Echo 2 taxiway. Were you not?
I will just from here and we'll go to Echo 2 northbound on the ramp. Fast 2 Mike.
Reverse course, follow my instructions as initially stated, northbound through the ramp to Echo 2.
Northbound the ramp, Echo 2, fast 2 Mike, and I'll wait for that.
We give taxi instructions for a specific reason. You are to follow them.
Whatever is follow, fast 2 Mike. Hey, ground, this is Cessna fast 276 Mike. Request clearance to Miami Airport. There are J-Dog with Alpha and ready for taxi.
5276 Mike, you say you're requesting an IFR clearance?
Negative, just be the first clearance to Miami, fast 2 Mike. Flight follow.
Okay, it's flight following, it's not a clearance. 5276 Mike, say the type aircraft on the altitude en route.
Cessna 152, 2500, destination Tango Mike Bravo to Miami, Cessna 5276 Mike.
Plus 5276 Mike, taxi to runway 13, intersection Echo 2, northbound out of the ramp to Echo 2.
Out of ramp Echo 2, taxi runway 13, Cessna 5276 Mike. Face to the ground, this is Cessna 5276 Mike, we're taxi Charlie, Echo runway 13.
5276 Mike, why did you not follow the instructions given to you?
And yeah, the base over here.
You were told to depart the ramp area northbound to Echo 2 taxiway. Were you not?